Welcome back. I got 2 molds here. Actually, I'm gonna do all 4. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna unmold all of them because I don't feel like doing 2 separate videos. So we got 4 molds here that we're gonna undo. So I'm gonna come around camera and get to it. Since I took these out first, I'll just do them first. Oh, this came out easy. Okay, I have mixed feelings about how the front looks. The back though, I feel like the front looks more gold than anything, and I like how the back is like more purple, but I still F with it. This is just a coaster I made. It's intended to be a coaster, but it's going to be a plant saucer for one of my smaller plants. So there's that. Nice thickness. It has like a little lip so it can catch water. But yeah, there's that. And this one is a first. It's my first time using this mold. Okay, that came out easier than I expected. This is an incense holder. It has like a little stem here for the incense stick, which I freaking love, because if you burn incense, you know sometimes like using the long trays is annoying. But yeah, I like it. It's glittery. Apparently I was having a really glittery day this day, so I guess it's makes sense I do all of them at once. But I really love how this came out. Like, it looks kind of smoky-ish, you know. Can't wait to use it, see what's going on with that. I should actually grab an incense stick and see how that looks. I was checking to see if I had the thick ones, the really big ones that you get at the gas station, but I didn't. But I feel like it might be fine though, because if this holds and it's kind of loose so it doesn't stick, yeah, I think the big ones should be able to fit too. Yeah, because this is pretty. I don't want it to like rub off in there, but I like it. I like it. Okay, so yeah, let me do this one first. All right, this is another one of those like splash joints or whatever. It's tight, my goodness. Some is sitting tight, some is sitting, stop. Aye. Ooh. Okay, yes. Yeah, it's giving. I really like this. I feel like there was more colors. Did I use more colors? That was all the colors I used. Blue, green, gold, silver, and purple. It's a decent amount of colors. But yeah, I like it. Yeah. Okay. And the one I've been waiting on, I don't know about y'all, but me. I've been wanting to take this one out for a bit. This is a, ooh. Okay, yes. Yes, I completely forgot that I had glitter on the bottom. I really was using the hell out of my glitter this day. My gosh. But I love it. Oh, yes. It's giving space. All right, these are not supposed to be there. This is just so that I can put the hanging thingies through. Ooh. Okay, but like, I'm not upset with this at all. Like, at all. Like, I'm gonna have to, well, I don't even have to drill it. I can just push those out. I am so pleased with this. Like, so pleased. Yeah, this is giving everything I needed it to give. The only thing I would change is that these little stars here, can you see them? Yeah, these little stars would be in like the purple and green. It's, yeah. I ate this. I live, I love, yeah. I'm smiling so hard. Okay, let me come back around. Oh, did I? Okay, no. All right, so yeah, so we got this, coaster slash, oh yeah, it's a coaster regardless. Sorry, I'm looking at my plant. This thing has gotten so tall, and every time I like lift the window, the like the blinds, it gets taller. So off topic, but that's also why I'm making hanging plant trays, so I can hang these things up all over the place. Oh my gosh, I need to repot that one though. But yeah, like, this is giving me so much life. Love this one also. You know I love all my babies when I make them. Like, everyone's my favorite. This is the only one that's not like plastered with glitter. There's like some that got loose in there because glitter ends up everywhere no matter what you're doing. Oh, this wasn't supposed to have glitter. What happened was I used the rest of the black from this to mix this. Dang, so much glitter I put in there. Maybe I need to not be so heavy-handed with the glitter. Case in point. But yeah, so those four are gonna be photographed on the website at some point or another. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast, Pointless Talks. Make sure you check out all of our videos here on YouTube. Yeah, and with everything else we do, Pointless Talks, Pointless Grace, whether you got hair on purpose or by fate. Oh, check out my new TikTok. I think it's Janae. But yeah, whether you got hair on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.